I'm very much in love with both hydrogen and water and what it can do for our physical health, our mental health, athletics. I also believe it can change the world of agriculture and even medicine. I can't name the medicines because I don't want to get your channel in trouble, but there are certain medicines that were transformed by hydrogen that they don't want us talking about a lot these days.
Yeah.
It starts with an I, I'll just say that. And it probably rhymes like with iserectin or something, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, that
Gotcha.
medicine was actually developed by the Japanese. A lot of people are unaware of that. And it wasn't just developed by the Japanese. It was actually transformed. Originally, it was something called ivermectin. And then it was transformed by hydrogen to become what we know it as today. And it's an amazing antiparasitic. And it's not the only one that I use. I also developed certain antiparasitic protocols. I believe the parasites are also a culprit for a lot of different issues. So that's why my protocols involve, some diet, some antiparasitics, clean water, and hydrogen, and they really come together beautifully, and they really work.
Yeah, that's really interesting.
At least I've seen them work a lot.
What's that?
I got to be cautious. I'm not making any claims. So when I say it works, I mean, I've seen it work.
Yeah, gotcha. So, as you know, I talk a lot about the gut microbiome and skin health on this show. What have you seen in terms of the benefits of hydrogen-rich water when it comes to the gut microbiome and the skin?
Thanks for watching this video, and you can find the full-length podcast episode here on this channel, or you can head over to Apple Podcast or Spotify, and don't forget to like this video.